Hi, I'm Mason Wilkinson with Nilfisk, and what we have here today is our replacement for the long trusted Adventure platform. We've got the SC4000, so what I want to do is turn it over to Dave and let him take it away.
Thanks, Mason. As he said, this is a brand new machine that Nilfisk Advance is introducing, the SC4000, replacing a long standing machine, the Avenger, that we know our customers have loved for years, but they've now updated it with a lot of new technology, similar to the 5000 and the 6000 that has been super successful. So this is just a sneak peek. We'll have more details on our website coming out, but we just want to show you a little bit about the machine. As you can tell looking at the machine, it is built on a smaller platform, 33-gallon tank capacity. So again, it's similar to the Avenger, but in this setup, there are a lot of facilities from commercial to small industrial that this machine is the right machine for to do the job. It's going to be available with 5 different deck configurations, so you can get both sizes in disc, cylindrical, and rev, which is orbital scrubbing. As you see, it's got a heavy built platform, heavy steel around the deck. This happens to be the 28-inch disc version, but they've added more bumpers to protect it. There are going to be a lot of options you can get on this machine, so you can really customize it to what your needs are, from blue lights to strobe lights to spray and vac package to hose down. So there's a lot of options that we're going to be able to offer you that you can build this machine to your specs. If we come around over to this side, again, as you can see, this is worked off of a key fob, so there's no key. Keeps that very simple. Access to the battery compartment. This is a 36 volt, so you'll get more runtime, and there's different battery configurations you can get. It has the EcoFlex, which is your onboard soap mixing system. That'll be an option available. Onboard or shelf charger. This particular model's got the onboard charger already built in. As we come around to the back, again, your standard drain hose. This model's got the spray down hose, super option to help pre-spray your floors or to rinse the machine out. You can get a spray and vac package. They really beefed up the design of the squeegee tool, so you really can dry the floor with this. And they have different levels of vacuuming depending on the conditions of your floor. Inside the machine, they've added extra debris baskets for easy cleanup and less trash down inside. Simple maintenance to your filters. The bottom of the machine is your clean tank, easy fill right on the side. And of course, this is your rear recovery tank with a standard hose. Last thing is the controls. This has been very successful on the previous models. Everything is right here, very intuitive, easy for your operators as far as one button for everything operating, or I can customize how I want to work, adjust the down pressure, adjust the water flow, reverse. We have a horn, cut off water on turns, the soap mixing system. Everything is built right here, so it's an easy access, so it's safe and easy to teach your people. That's all I'm going to tell you for right now, folks. We'll have more information coming out, but just want to give you a little sneak peek of the new Advance SC4000 coming from Nilfisk Advance. For more information, give us a call. Caliber Equipment, 888-550-0945. And thanks for watching.